Hey guys, so I just wanted to give a quick update to what I've been doing. So I've been working a lot with Devops. Last week I was spinning up a bunch of VMs in Vagrant, learning how to deploy different applications with that. This week I am focused more on AWS, particularly using Docker and Kubernetes. Today is just AWS architecture. What I did today was I spanned up a couple EC2 instances. I secured them with key value pairs. Let's see, so here we can go to here. I have, 4 EC2s running, and then I had a fifth one that I actually just terminated just because it was interfering with my AutoScaling. What my AutoScaler does is it makes sure that each of my instances stays up. So if any of these go down for any type of failure, it's going to spin it up again. And then I also put load balancing. So depending on how much traffic I get, if I need to spin up more instances, it's going to do that automatically depending on what type of traffic it is. That way my servers don't get overloaded. Key pairs, that's how I secure the EC2s. You download an actual password over here, and then you use that to authenticate here. Then I connected the instances using their public IPs, and I gave the private IPs domain names using Route 53. So a lot of this was done in the terminal. So I used terminal to upload this Maven, basically this Java application. I compiled it with Maven, and then I sent the WAR file to AWS, my S3 bucket, using the AWS CLI. As you can see down here, I was doing a lot here. As you can see, I've been doing stuff with Jenkins, Ansible, but today, like I said, today is just AWS. And if you go to my S3 bucket, you will see, this is it right here. Yeah, so this is the WAR file, and then I went to my Route 53. So my Route 53, I made sure I gave domain names to my private IPs. I don't care if you saw them, because by the time you see this, they're probably already going to be down anyways. And the application looks like this. So I'm just going to do a quick login. And as you can see, it's got this right here. There's a MemCache that's in one of my security groups. It's on one of the 4 VMs. And then there's a MariaDB database on one of the others. And then I have TomCat server on a VM. And then I have RabbitMQ on another one. So if I want to look here, so here we have Jackie Chan. This data is from cache. That's from the MemCache. I click back, and let's say I want something straight from the database. So I'm just going to click this one, and data is from the database. And now it's being stored in the MemCache. And if I go back, now it's being stored in the cache. And yeah, this is basically what I've been doing, and I'll keep you updated on my DevOps journey. Thanks for watching.